Behaviors that are outside of God's life-giving design laws can quickly spread when the people that are spreading them have some sort of influence. And now I'm getting back to families and relatives here. When someone in your family has some kind of influence, it can be because of their age, or maybe because they are really well loved in the community or by the family, or they have some kind of charisma that allows them to be popular. Um, and of course, they have authority that, like I said, is because of their age. This is one of those things that spreads quickly and becomes a norm when people are popular and when people have some kind of authority. This makes people accept that behavior. And in my African culture, it's mostly also about age, because there's so much about respecting elders. And this is, in many ways, a pathway of allowing, you know, behaviors that are kind of destructive for the family and in the long run for the community, because the more we accept in the communities similar things, the more it becomes a cultural norm at the end of the day after a while. So if you find yourself in a community that is very, or a family union that is very much rooted in this, and where you feel it's not good for you, find somebody outside of your community, even like professional help or some spiritual guidance from somebody, maybe from outside your community, that has the belief systems that you feel that you can use, and most of all, find that clarity